Hey guys, Mark the Reptile Guy here. Some of you may have heard me refer to us as the Mark the Reptile Guy family, and that's because this truly is a family affair. We got something special going on today, and I have two of my three daughters with me. And we're going to go ahead and turn this video over to them, and this is going to be a Mark the Reptile Guy family kid takeover video. So I'm going to turn it over to them, and enjoy.
Make sure to like,
click subscribe, and turn on bell notifications.
And share this to all of your friends. Now let's get to it.
Hey Olivia, where are we heading right now?
Port St. Lucie.
And why are we going down to Port St. Lucie?
To pick up our new snake.
What kind of snake is it we're picking up, Olivia?
An adult ball python.
Hey Kens, how's it we came about this new ball python?
Well, as some of you might know, the Mark the Reptile Guy family is part of the FWC Amnesty program.
Oh, what's the Amnesty program, Kens?
The Amnesty program is a program that encourages owners of non-native animals to rehome their pets instead of releasing them into the wild if they can no longer care for them.
Oh, that sounds cool. Olivia, what you getting there?
One of each except the lemon.
What kind of concoction did you make, Kens?
I got Coke and cherry lime.
I got Coke, raspberry, cherry, orange. Coke, raspberry, orange, cherry lime.
A little bit of everything, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna straw.
I'm getting
Down there. Did you make a mess?
No, yes, I made a mess.
Oh yeah, you're a little messy there. We'll get you a napkin. Hey guys, we just made it down to Port St. Lucie. Got a little bit of a storm going on here, so we're gonna hopefully not get too wet. My co-pilots here have conked out, so we're gonna wake them up here and go pick up the ball python. Girls, we made it. Girls,
Wait, what?
we're here.
We're here?
We're
Let's
here.
go get a new snake!
Let's go get our ball python.
Hey guys, we got the snake. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but
If you guys want to suggest a name for this snake, just put your name comments in the comments below.
and basically what we're going to do with the snake is we're going to check him over and make sure he's all right, doing well, and we're going to keep you guys updated, put him in quarantine, and make sure to drop your name suggestions down below in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!
Hey guys, just wanted to break in here during the editing process. I hope you enjoyed the Mark the Reptile Guy Kid Takeover. The girls had a great time shooting this video. This really is a family affair. All three of my kids are hands-on with all the animals when it comes to feeding, cleaning, handling. They all help out, they all pitch in, and they all love it. So this really is a family organization here, and it makes me happy that my kids love it just as much as I do. I do have our new addition here from the video. As they stated in the video, we do not know if it's male or female. We might do a sexing video coming up here shortly, so that would be a good opportunity to go ahead and probe this guy and see what we have here. But if you have any name suggestions, go ahead and drop it down in the comments below. We usually like to get a whole list of names, and then as a family we go through and pick which one fits the animal the best. We did get a little backstory. We were put in touch with the owner of this ball python here through the FWC Amnesty program. As Kenzie stated in the video, it is a program that encourages owners of non-native species to rehome their animals through the FWC program rather than releasing them into the wild. So if you have an animal that is a non-native species that you can no longer care for, you can get in touch with FWC, and with no penalties, no fees, no anything, they will put you in touch with a list of approved adopters. And the Reptile Guy facility is an approved adopter through this program. So we get notifications all the time, multiple times a week, of animals that are looking for new homes. So we went ahead and reached out, and we picked this guy up. And the previous owner told me that they actually found it in their yard about 5 years ago. He was out in the yard getting ready to water, went and reached for the garden hose, and boom, there's this ball python. So he says he picked it up, he's held on to it for about the last 5 years, raised it, done a great job. It's a healthy snake for sure. Definitely got some meat on his bones. But that right there just tells me that it was somebody's pet that they had probably already released, and that's exactly what the FWC Amnesty program is designed to prevent. So it is a good program. If you currently have an animal that you can no longer care for, Google FWC Amnesty program. They will put you in touch with a list of adopters who are qualified and will take your animal in and give them a good rest of their life. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like more kid takeover videos like this, put it in the comments below. Let us know what you think, because I know the girls love taking over the camera and running their own show. So hope you enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Get it together. Get it together. You ready?
Don't say hey again.
Okay. I can't say hey. Heidi ho, Kens. Hey, Kenzie.
Bro, why?